So there's a new great way of making money, and not a lot of people know about this one. I mean, you know about YouTube, you know about monetization, but this niche, it's just perfect. The thing I'm talking about is these lo-fi beats, okay? So people are just pasting music and they just put something in the background, such as this channel, which is called Lo-Fi Girl. So her videos, first of all, just take a look at this. She has 12 million subscribers. Just try to imagine how much money this channel makes. And just take a look at this. If you click on the most popular videos, you can see 94 million views, 21 million views, 19 million views, 18 million views. So that just means that there's a lot of money into it. People just like to listen to these like lo-fi beats when they're studying, when they're, I don't know, working at home, whatever, and they just forget about it. And this is making these creators the money. So this is only one of them, Lo-Fi Girl. But there is also this one. This one is called the Jazz Hop Cafe. Now these are like a little channel with 1 million subscriber, little channel, and they also make these lo-fi beats videos. So you can click on the most popular ones. You can see this one has 15 million views. And if you just go inside one of these videos, I'm just gonna let it play for a second. So basically, there's a picture and there's music over it, okay? No voiceover, no animation, nothing. Just plain money out of this. This is so easy to make. I'm going to show you how you can make these, and it's a really easy thing to do. Because just take a look at this. This channel, Lo-Fi Girl, they are estimated to get $100,000 on a monthly basis, okay? So that's surely a lot of money. Now, this channel, the Jazz Hop Cafe, they've got $6.6 thousand, way less, but this is still enough, okay? If you ask me, $6,000 based on 1 month, it is enough money for anyone, right? So let's just see how we can make money like these channels are doing, what their videos have, and what do we need to do in order to make videos just like these, and of course make money with them. Now, of course, you all know that in order to get monetized on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and you need to have 4,000 public watch hours. Now, of course, this is gonna take like few months, okay? But there is another way around. You can buy pre-monetized channel and you can become a YouTube partner just like that. That is, if you have some capital in front of you. But if you don't have, this is gonna take like few months. 1,000 subscribers, that's gonna happen in a month or two. But this 4,000 valid public watch hours, that's gonna take like 6 to 8, maybe even 10 months. So patience is the key here, okay? You have to be patient, you have to be dedicated, but trust me, once you get there, you will thank yourself. There is going to be a lot of money, so let's actually see how you can make these videos. First of all, we need to find the music. We need to find lo-fi music, but of course, it has to be copyright free. You know what copyright is? It's intellectual property, and you can't just take any music and put it in your videos. You can't do that. You're going to have a lot of copyright issues and you won't make money. YouTube doesn't like copyright infringement, and they can demonetize you or even ban you. So this is why I have chosen this one. This is Chozik.com. You can find it easily by going over to Google, typing in Chozik, and then clicking on the first one, Chozik.com, where you will find a lot of this music. So firstly, when you come here, click on download music here. Click on download music, and here you have to search. Now, you've got a lot of these categories, but we don't see lo-fi beats. So you can just type in lo-fi, and there it is, lo-fi beats. And now you have a lot of these. Just take a look at the number of these songs. All of these are for free, okay? But you can see that these are like 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So you will have to actually combine few of these, and I'm going to tell you how you can do it in a one simple, longer one, okay? But first of all, let's go and download one of these songs. So let's see if this one is good. Well, I like it. It's a good song, it's a nice vibe, and what do you have to do now? You just have to click on this button, which is called download. So when you click on the download button, this is important. So this track is free to use, even commercially, like YouTube monetization. But you must include the following credits in your video's description, copy and paste. So that's going to be easy, all right? when you just make yourself a video on YouTube, you just have to copy and paste this in your description. And same goes for like all of these other songs. You can just use them and of course just go and paste each one of these credits, okay? So you're just giving the credits to these like creators, and that's what you have to do in order to use this commercially, okay? So now what you gotta do, go and search for some of these songs, download some of them, for example this one, free download, and it's gonna go to your computer. That's it. The next step is going over to Midjourney. Now, midjourney.com is a place where we can get that picture, just like these people are doing, like certain picture, which is also copyright free. It has to be original, and that is exactly what Midjourney can help us with. So, what do you want to do? You can just click on the Join the Beta. Click on Join the Beta. You will be invited to their Discord server, okay? So, this is the Discord server of Midjourney. So, what do you want to do once you come in there? Just go to Newbies. Here you can see 1, 2, 3 of these newbies groups, whichever one you want. Click on newbies, and then what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down and you want to make a command prompt. So you can just /imagine, and when you hit like that, you now have to decide which picture you want to get. So for example, prompt can be like, for example, moon with a monkey. Okay, so you just have to like click on like that, and you can just add cartoon, and when you click enter, okay, that's gonna be your command, and you can see this Midjourney bot is now designing my picture. Okay, so you just have to find your own, because sometimes this can be like really saturated and a lot of people are using it, so you just have to find your own. So you can see waiting to start. Okay, so this one now is waiting to start. You can see now it is blurry, but once it goes to higher percentage, it's gonna become crystal clear. Okay, you're gonna see how it looks like. So you can see as the percentage goes higher, my picture is better. So now we can see that my picture is done. You can see you can choose whichever one of these you want. You can even choose like to take all of these. So if you want to take only one, if you like, I don't know, the third picture, that's going to be U3. All right, click on that and it's going to go to your computer. But I want to take all of these, so you can just save image as, send it to your computer, and then you can just use Adobe Premiere Pro to edit that. Or you can use just canva.com, which is way easier. You just have to combine that music with that picture. And that is an easy thing to do. You just put your whatever you have, you put the music, and then you put a picture on top of it. And then this picture, you just have to drag it like this so it goes to the end. And if it's like this, you just delete this. And there you have it, guys. Now I have my lo-fi beats and it's ready to export. After that, you just make yourself an account on YouTube and you make one of these each day, or maybe even 2 of these each day. The more you make, the sooner you are gonna get that money. Just don't forget about this one. When you just upload that video, just copy and paste these credits so you don't get any copyright issues. That's how you make money, guys. Just go and do and replicate this. Stay consistent. Don't miss out on days, and you will see the money. Go out there, and I'll catch you.